This is a way-filling system designed for bulk materials such as nutrient soil, compost, and agricultural blends, built for large-format bagging operations. The hopper includes a basic mixing function, helping maintain consistent material flow and reducing bridging, especially with uneven or moisture-sensitive products. Material is transferred via lifting conveyor to the elevated platform, ensuring continuous feeding into the way filling system for stable and efficient operation. This system is configured for large bags, typically in the 15 to 25 kilogram range, commonly used in agriculture, landscaping, and industrial material distribution. Operators position bags manually during this trial. In full installations, the system can be integrated with bag holders, conveyors, or automated handling solutions.
The weighing unit ensures accurate dosing of each fill, maintaining consistency across batches while handling variable density materials like soil, compost, or organic blends. Material flows smoothly from the weigh hopper into the filling head, delivering controlled discharge and minimizing dust, spillage, and product loss during operation. The PLC control system allows operators to monitor weight settings, adjust parameters, and maintain stable performance throughout the filling process. Even in trial conditions, the system demonstrates reliable throughput and consistent filling performance, key for scaling up production in real-world environments. PAT Manufacturing Solutions provides packaging and processing systems for food, agriculture, and industrial products, supporting clients from concept to full production. With offices in Indonesia, China, Singapore, and Ghana, we serve global markets with practical, scalable solutions built for real-world production.